How you doing, everyone? So I wanted to take you outside real quick and show you this BMW X5 that we just did. We did an interior-exterior detail on this level 2, but just kind of wanted to show you. It's a little bit different. You know, normally we just take care of we do maintenance level detailing and that, but and the ceramic coatings, but I just thought I'd show you something a little bit different. So here we go. So like I said, we did a level 2 interior-exterior detail on this incredible white BMW. So it looks great. So we do our Eco Revive wash system on the exterior, and that usually includes like a 6-month sealant on it. We don't do any kind of polishing on level 2, this package. Then on the interior, we went ahead and cleaned up the interior. Level 2 includes steam cleaning and shampooing, so we did all the fabrics, all the leathers can be done, and then once we clean it all up, we come back around and we go ahead and we condition these leather seats and the door panels too, so all the leather in the door panels is done. And that's pretty much our level 2. This is what you'll see, this is what you'll get when you do like our CPM program, our maintenance program. You know, the unfortunate truth about owning a vehicle now is you create 10 more problems for yourself and to add to your to-do list now, along with getting oil changes, new tires, brakes, and more. Now you need to find time to keep this vehicle clean if you want to enjoy it to its fullest while you own it. We're all juggling work, family, and stuff that matters in our lives, and how are you supposed to find time to maintain these vehicles and keep them looking sharp, you know, something you're gonna be proud of. You might be putting it off to the weekend, and the weekend gets here and something always comes up and you never get it done. You know, the days and the weeks roll by and your vehicle that once was a source of pride, like this BMW, it lost its shine inside and out. You know, and without the proper care, what happens? Road salt, dirt debris, spills, stains, spots, they all build up. The brake dust turns these once shiny aluminum rims on this, like this BMW, end up looking gray and lifeless. And your car's paint, no matter what you put on it, it lacks any kind of shine that it used to have when it was new. And you probably, you know, maybe you feel a little bit guilty when your friends and family are riding with you. You dread trying to get to get to it to get it cleaned, and it's frustrating, I know. Totally understand. You know, many of the customers that we talk to, they're all in the same boat. They love their vehicles and they're looking for a foolproof way to keep it looking its best. And for many of our clients, their vehicles are a source of pride and a symbol of their hard work and accomplishment. And just like this BMW. Joining the CPM program can change your car care and turn it into a convenient, fulfilling experience. We are your go-to source for maintenance detailing, and we are the better way to clean, protect, and maintain your ride. This is call today. I'll talk to you soon.